This thing is a beast. Look at this case. This is a Cooler Master Haf 700 Evo, and it is huge. Look at it compared to this regular water bottle. Sheesh. We're going to build up a custom gaming computer today for a customer with all these components. It came out very beautiful, so be sure to stick to the end to take a look at what this looks like. One thing I'll mention though is unfortunately the front tempered glass RGB was defective. I informed the customer. He said it was not that big of a deal and he's just going to deal with it. But other than that, let's get started.